Nice.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Uncle Gary here, and in this edition of Mindset Monday, we're going to talk about one key principle. Discipline beats motivation every time. Now, motivation is what probably got you to sign up for the gym in January. But discipline is why you're still there in March. If you're waiting to feel motivation before you do the hard thing, you're going to be waiting a long time. So let's fix that today. Nobody talks about this very honestly. Motivation is an emotion. Now, emotions are unreliable by design. They shift with your sleep, your mood, what happened at work today. If your habits depend on an emotion showing up, you've built your future on the least stable thing you own. So discipline doesn't ask you how you feel. It asks you what you decided. That's the entire difference between people who follow through and people who start over every January with starting off at the gym again, hoping for a better result. So here's the part that actually matters. Discipline isn't about gritting your teeth through willpower. That's just exhausting and it doesn't scale. Real discipline is a system you build once you stop needing willpower at all. So you lower the decision cost. Put out your gym clothes the night before. Auto-transfer your savings the day you get paid. Every decision you remove is a decision your motivation doesn't have to win. So you make the standard non-negotiable, not the mood. You don't decide whether to show up each day. You decided that once at the beginning, and then when you set that goal, that's all you need to do. Showing up is now just execution. So you track the streak, track how many times you actually went to gym, not the feeling. Feelings will lie, the streak tracked will not. When you see 14 days in a row on your tracking sheet, quitting on day 15 costs you something real. You'll really feel that. So I'm not telling you to ignore how you feel. I'm telling you not to let it run your life. So feel however you feel, and do the thing anyway. That's the whole skill. So here's my call to action for you. Discipline is a system, not a personality trait. Build the system and motivation becomes optional. That's what I have to share with you this morning. I hope that sets you up powerfully for your week. Go ahead and comment if you've got a streak going, and I'd love to hear what everyone feels about this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.